Hi, so let's look at this interesting question that is very simple actually. We are given the complex number 1 plus I to the power 13, and we're required to write it in the form A plus BI, where of course our A is like the real number, B is the imaginary part. Then all you have to remember is the fact that your z to the power n, okay, your z to the power n is equals to r to the power n, open bracket, you have cos n theta plus I sine n theta, like that. So all you basically have to do is that just to find your r, and your theta, because you already have your n is 13. So from here, um, we can say our r, since like our z is equals to 1 plus I, the coefficient of I is a 1. So our r is just the magnitude of z, where we say like the square root, then just say 1 squared plus 1 squared, that is going to be equals to the square root of 2. Then our theta is just the argument here. It's just a argument of z is equals to, we say tan inverse. So for tan inverse, we say y over x, of which if you say z is equals to x plus yi. So your y is just the coefficient of I, which is 1. Then x is also a 1. So you just divide, that's just going to be tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1 is actually 45, where you can write it in radians as pi over 4. So our answer, z to the power 13, in this case we can say it's 1 plus I to the power 13 is equals to our r, which is the square root of 2. Then you put 13 as your n there, then open bracket, you have cos, then our n is 13 multiplied by theta, which is pi over 4. That is just going to be 13 pi over 4 plus I, then you say sine, um, that would be also 13 pi over 4, and that's your answer. Thank you very much for watching.